Can you Tik Tok? Can you really rock? Can you? How's that?
You fuck me.
I'm gonna sit on the pillow. Wow, I'm sure.
Or you can move this
Yeah,
down.
move the camera down. Move the camera down. Done? Yes, great, thank you. Oh damn, I should have put my lights on. I can't be bothered.
It's fine.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I would love it if you could subscribe. My name is Luna. Sorry about that. I don't know why did I just do that? I hope you guys are all safe. I hope you guys are well. It's been a while since I last filmed a video. 2-3 months now. I know I keep going on and off. I apologize. But I'm here today with a Q&A. I'm very excited about this Q&A because the first one that I've only done one before. That was my first ever video that I published. That was a Q&A, kind of get to know me situation. I was doing my makeup in that video as well. I haven't watched that actually since I uploaded it. And I don't plan on watching it anytime soon. Cringe. I'm very excited to be filming. It's been a while. It's been a while. What was I gonna say? Can you take that? No, that's not what I was gonna say. Anyways, today we're doing a Q&A. I asked you guys on my Instagram if you guys have any questions, makeup related, non-makeup related, you can ask me. And here we are. That's what we're gonna be going through today. That's all I can hear, literally the bloody earrings. I know you guys are probably thinking, wow, she got dressed up to stay in her house. Yeah. So what? I got dressed up, you know, dressed up. Oh, that's it. Down. Oh, actually, there is one thing I want to say. I've recently completed the 100 days of makeup challenge on my Instagram, so I would really like it if you guys went over there, you know, check it out, give it a little like on what your favorite look is out of the 100 days. And if you guys were thinking of doing that challenge, you know, go for it. It's fun. Also, you guys are gonna have to excuse the noise, the little background noise that's gonna be going on, because everyone's inside, everyone's at home, and everyone's loud. There's a lot of questions, so I'm gonna try my hardest to not waffle on too long. I did a poll asking you guys, what do you want me to film? Do you want me to film a challenge, or do you want me to film a Q&A? I know you guys said Q&A, and I'm glad you did, because who am I gonna film a challenge with? Everyone's in their homes. Someone commented, "You're so pretty." Oh, so handsome. Oh, thank you very much. Someone said, "Beautiful post." What did I post? I don't know, but thank you. Also, I got like 50 of these. Terry, Myers, so many bloody people, which I know they're obviously spam accounts, but congrats. We announced that you've been chosen to win iPhone 11. Reply to claim. I've got like 50 of those. Just give it to me. If you want me to have it so bad, give it to me. Send it to me. Another person said, "Why are you not doing your deadlines?" And that someone is Steph. Leave me alone. Yeah? Don't want to do him. Don't want to do him. Leave me alone. I actually have to, like, right after this video, I have to take everything off and stay up till like 5 AM and write out my essay. Okay, another question. If you could go anywhere in the world, where would it be? If I could go anywhere in the world right now, I would go to Bali. If you had one day to live, what would you do? Good question. If I had one day to live, what would I do? I would love to go to Mecca. Yes, I would love if me and my whole family could go there. That'd be great. All-time favorite movie. What's my favorite movie? I don't know if I have an all-time favorite movie. Do you know why? I watch shows. I'm someone who watches shows. So I don't really watch movies. Like, I love Transformers, all of them. I love like Divergent. I love but the shows I watch, and like the Marvel movies and stuff, like they all have, you know, another one and then another one and another one and another one. Yeah, sure. I'll say I prefer shows to movies, and my favorite show is Friends, of course. But right now I'm watching Money Heist, and I love it. Okay, next question. 3 things you'd bring to a deserted island. That's a good. So is this makeup wise or just anything? I think it's just anything, right? Anything wise. I would bring my laptop. I would bring food, of course. I'd bring food and lots of water. Honestly, that would be great with me. I know you guys are expecting me to say makeup, blah, 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 but if I'm deserted, I'm trying to live, I need Netflix and I need my food and water. Okay. And then someone says, not a question or answer, just stay safe. Oh, thank you, you're so sweet. You too, darling, you too. What do you want to do in the future, inshallah? What do I want to do in the future? I want to do this. I want to carry on doing this. I want to do YouTube. I want to do Instagram. I want to do makeup. Everything that I'm doing now, just times 100. Ooh, this is a good question. Do you regret going to university? Do you regret doing university? Well, Hannah, your grammar is shit, right? First of all, let's get that out there. And no, I don't. I would like to say yes, I do, but I don't. For now. Right now, I don't want to be at uni. Like, it's just the worst. Especially because the last 3 years I have been working my ass off just to wear that stupid cap, that stupid gown, and you're telling me I can't even do that? My freaking certificate is gonna come through the post. That's funny. Who am I gonna kill because of this? What's one thing you wish you knew before going uni? So, before I went to my uni, I wish I knew how far it was, and I wish I knew what the actual uni was like. Because stupidly enough, I didn't go to an open day for my uni. I got offered to go Greenwich University, which is much closer to me. I chose Kingston because I think, okay, it's far. You know, everyone gets into that mentality. The further it is, the better the uni. But no, like it's a good uni, and I don't regret it. Also, this kind of ties in with my last question. I don't regret it because all the courses that I've been doing since first year, I've loved. Like, I've really liked all the courses. They're very interesting. I study English literature, for those of you guys that don't know. I study English literature, so all the courses that we've been taught are actually quite interesting. So for that reason, I also don't regret it. But if there is one thing that I wish I knew, I wish I knew what, like, the actual uni. I wish I knew what I was getting myself into. So that's on me. That's on me. Another question. What was your motivation to start YouTube? Okay, so I actually started YouTube same time I started uni actually. It's gonna be 3 years this December. So my motivation to start YouTube was just other YouTubers, honestly. I know that I wanted to do makeup, I know that I wanted to do challenges, make people laugh, and I feel like it was something different as well, and I really enjoy editing. I know that's like kind of weird, but I do quite like the editing person. I like filming, makeup, like it was more just I just enjoy it. So I thought, let's do it, why not? Guys, please, I want to see if we can get to 1K subscribers before the end of the year. I mean, even that alone to me is crazy, because why the hell did it take me 3 years to get to 1,000 subscribers? That is partly, actually, that is all my fault. But if you guys could help me out by subscribing, that'd be great. Another question, how do you balance uni and YouTube? Honestly, I don't, if I'm gonna be quite honest. I don't. It also depends on how I'm feeling. So if it's like close to deadline, I won't really be on YouTube, which you probably will be able to tell, because I mean, actually I'm right dead in the middle of deadlines right now. So really, I wasn't expecting myself to start filming, but I just want to post, you know. Usually I just do what I think is right in that time. If I've kind of felt that I haven't posted in a while, I'm like, okay, maybe I should post. Like this video, for example. But if I know that I'm like under a lot of stress at uni and stuff like that, I won't film. You know, I basically have to pick and choose what I want to prioritize at the right time, kind of thing. Does that even make sense? Okay, what's your 3 things you can't live without? Okay, what can't I live without? So I'd say my family, I'd say friends, and I would say water. Are you an introvert or are you an extrovert? I think I'm a bit of both. I'm an in the middle vert. I think I'm a bit of both. Someone said, when's the meet and greet? Oh, what? You guys want to meet me? I don't think I'm at meet and greet level. you know. But when I get there, I'll let you guys know. Okay, next question. How old are you? I am 21 years old. Stop messaging me. Gosh, I have so many friends. Yep, I am 21 years young. I'm 21, I will be 22 this year, December, inshallah. Where do you live? I live in London. London. How did you learn to do your makeup? Good question. I get asked this a lot actually. I honestly just learned on my own. It was a thing where I just practiced. With the help of YouTube, of course. I didn't just wake up one day and I knew how to do my makeup. I watched a lot of YouTube tutorials. Like back in the day, I started watching tutorials like 2014, 2015. I've been watching for years. To this day, I still watch tutorials. They help a lot. So I would say YouTube tutorials and just kind of practicing on my own. Next question. Any advice for an upcoming makeup artist who's kind of afraid of coming to social media? To be honest, I think that was me when I first started. That was definitely me. I was kind of afraid. I was like, oh my god, you know, hate comments, you know, people talking shit, and this is that, blah blah. But at the end of the day, if you want it for yourself and you want it bad, just do it. No one will get anywhere if they keep thinking about what other people are thinking, if that makes sense. And I feel like as I've grown older, look at me acting like one wise owl. But the older I've gotten, the more I've realized how important it is to not care about what others think. Very important. But I say do it. Do it. Do it. And when you do it, I'll be there to support you. Who is this? Phaser. Okay, so this is from the same person. I love doing makeup, but my parents think I should concentrate on my studies. Help. I feel you. Same. Exact same situation with me. I love doing makeup and filming, blah, blah, blah. But my mom wants me to stay in uni. She wants me to do my master's. She wants me to do blah, blah, blah. This is that. And I feel like, especially knowing how far makeup can get you, it's harder when you know that yourself and getting your parents to understand. But you're gonna have to kind of do a bit of both, which is what I've had to do. When they see the progress that's coming from both, they can't really argue with that. Does that make sense? I kind of had to wow my mom with the results, so I had to work extra hard, get good results, and I'm like, yep, yep, and then she won't like bug me about the makeup situation. Oh, someone asked me relationship status. Next question. Best drugstore foundations, and do you prefer banana, setting powder, or translucent? Okay, my absolute favorite drugstore foundation is the Milani Conceal and Perfect. Love it. That's been my favorite foundation for years, like 5 years now, 5 years straight. It just looks so good on camera, it looks so good in person, it looks good in pictures. I love it. The formula is not very thick, it's not thin, it's creamy, it's delicious. I love it. Do you prefer banana, setting powder, or translucent? I actually like both, but preference-wise, if I had to choose one, I'll choose translucent. Just because some banana powders can look very, very yellow on me. Actually, my favorite ever translucent powder is the Beauty Bakery flour powder. That is wow. Okay, next question. Are you married? If yes, then it's okay, but if not, are you in a relationship? Next question. Have you ever been in Kenya? Have you ever been to Kenya? And no, I haven't, but I would love to go. So I posted that post on Instagram yesterday, and then today I said ask me some juicy questions, and Steph went ahead and said juicy equals haram. Astaghfirullah. I said okay Steph, okay. Do you like juicy fruit? I do like juicy fruit. What fruit do you find juicy? Steph, leave me alone. What are these questions? What fruit do you find juicy? Watermelon. I must answer. Watermelons are quite juicy. I have a couple more questions left. Okay. Would you rather have 7 million followers on Instagram or find true love? I would find true love. I'm a hopeless romantic. I can't help it. I'd rather find true love, and then on my YouTube I'll have 7 million subscribers. Hey, don't have a question yet. Just wanted to wish you a great day. Oh, so cute. Thank you. It's people like you that make this world go round. Okay, thank you. I wish and hope that you had a great day too. That was very aggressive, I'm sorry. Last 2 questions and then we are done. Okay, someone said, yeah, when can I get out of the house? Same girl, same. Boris, I want to see my friends, Boris. Should let me see my friends, Boris. Please, please, please. Okay, one thing you love about each one of your BFFs and one thing you change. So I have a group of friends that I've known from school. Actually, all my friends I've known from school, but a group of friends I've known from school. And then there's Oyin that you guys know, and then there's someone else I've also known from school. So for my group, my bebes, what I like about everyone there, they're all just they're very sweet, they're very calm, collected. You guys don't know them. Do you know them? Have you seen them? I don't know, maybe on my Instagram or something, but not on YouTube. But yeah, they're just very sweet. Like, you can't get a sweeter group of friends. You know, they're all just very caring and great stuff there. Great stuff there. What I would change about them, they all need just like a little sprinkle. If I could just take them in my hand, just sprinkle some confidence on all of them, I would. Just confidence in themselves, you know, in themselves. They need that. And then Oyin, what do I love about Oyin? Okay. She's I don't know what to say. She's gonna kill me. I'm gonna have to edit this out. Yeah, she is always there to help, no matter what it is. Just from the kindness of her heart. She's a very caring, kind person. One thing I will change about her, okay, that one we got a list. Her time management, procrastinate. She procrastinates like it's no one's business. Like, you thought you were bad. You thought you procrastinated. You haven't met Oyin. I think that was it. I think that was all the questions. Boom. Wait, go again. Guys, I've been obsessed with TikTok. Speaking of TikTok, I did this look on TikTok. If you guys want to check it out, if you guys want to follow me on TikTok, I'll put my name right here. I'm kind of funny, so I think you should follow me. That is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. This was so much fun and I missed you guys, and I will be back. I know I would say this, but just give me some time. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this Q&A. I hope you learned something new about me. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are, you know, staying entertained during quarantine. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you're notified when I upload. Please don't forget to subscribe before you go. I'm sorry I had to shout at you, but please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video, whenever that is. Yeah, bye. Okay, sorry, stop. Can you TikTok? Can you TikTok? Anyway, sorry. Shh, that's stuck in my head. Sorry. Right. Can you TikTok? Can you what? Sorry. Can you TikTok? Can you really rock? I'm definitely gonna learn the dance to that, and I'm gonna do it on TikTok. Can you TikTok? Can you TikTok? Can you middle rock? Can you